Welcome friends to the other question of geography GS paper 1, GS mains paper 1. Let's see the question. How did Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep differ in geological evolution and topographical condition? It was asked in 1998. And let's see the introduction. In introduction, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep are two distinct archipelagos in India, each with unique geological evolution and topographical conditions. Understanding these differences shed light on their formation, natural features, and ecological significance. Let's see the body. First is the geological formation. Andaman and Nicobar Islands formed primarily from the tectonic activity. These islands are result of collision between Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. This seismic activity has created a complex geological structure including uplifted limestone and volcanic formation. Lakshadweep. In contrast, Lakshadweep is composed of coral atolls formed by the accumulation of coral leaves. These the islands evolved from submerged volcanic mountains with coral polyps building up over time to create the current landforms. Topographical features. Topographical features. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands feature is rugged topography with hilly terrains, dense forests, and significant elevation variations. Some peaks rise over 700 meters, supporting diverse ecosystem. Lakshadweep, characterized by flat, low-lying coral atolls. Lakshadweep has minimal elevation, with the highest point reaching only a few meters above the sea level. The landscape includes sandy beaches and lagoons, creating a unique coastal environment. Climate. Third is the climate. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They experience tropical climate with heavy monsoon rains, influencing their loose vegetation and biodiversity. The islands are home to rich forest and diverse wildlife. Lakshadweep, also tropical. Lakshadweep has a more stable climate due to its lower elevation with fewer variation in temperature and rainfall compared to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Biodiversity. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The varied topography and climate support rich biodiversity, including endemic species of flora and fauna. The island's forests are habitats for numerous unique species. Lakshadweep, while less diverse than the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep is notable for its marine biodiversity, particularly coral reefs and fish species, which thrive in the surrounding lagoons. Human settlement. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands have a more significant population density with established settlement, infrastructure, and mix of indigenous and migrant communities. Lakshadweep, the population is relatively small, concentrated on a few islands, and primarily engaged in the fishing and coconut cultivation, with limited development compared to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Geological risk. Andaman and Nicobar Islands being tectonically active, these islands face risk from earthquakes and tsunamis, influencing their development and habitational pattern. Lakshadweep. The low-lying nature of Lakshadweep makes it vulnerable to rising sea levels and climate change impacts, posing significant risk to the ecology and human settlement. Conclusion. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep differ significantly in their geological evolution and topographical condition, while the former is characterized by tectonic uplift and diverse topography, and later consists of low-lying coral atolls. These differences have profound implications for biodiversity, human settlement, and environmental vulnerabilities. Understanding these distinctions is essential for effective conservation and sustainable development strategies in these unique island ecosystems. Thank you, friends.